In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove followers in Strava app. If you want a little more control over who sees your activities and updates on Strava, removing a follower is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through it step by step, explain what you'll see on screen, and share a few helpful notes so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening the Strava app on your phone. You'll recognize it by the bright orange icon with the white zigzag logo. Once the app loads, give it a second to refresh your feed so everything is up to date. Next, head to your profile. On both iPhone and Android, you'll find the profile icon along the bottom of the screen. Tap it to open your personal page. This is where you can see your activities, stats, and importantly for today, your follower list. On your profile, look for the section that shows your followers. It's usually right near your profile photo and bio, and it displays a number. Tap on the word followers to open the full list. Here you'll see everyone who currently follows you, along with their names and profile pictures. If you have a long list, take a moment to scroll and find the person you want to remove. Tap the follower you want to remove to open their profile. This lets you confirm you're looking at the right person before you take action. On their profile page, look toward the top right corner for the three dots, sometimes called the More or Options menu. Tap those three dots to open the Actions menu and then choose Remove from Followers. If you see a confirmation prompt, go ahead and confirm. Strava will remove that person from your follower list right away. A couple of quick notes so you're fully informed. Removing a follower is discreet. Strava doesn't send them a notification. They'll simply stop seeing your activities in their feed going forward. Your existing activity visibility still follows your privacy settings, so public activities can still be discoverable while followers only or private activities remain limited. If you ever change your mind later, you can manage followers again the same way, starting from your profile. And that's all there is to it. Open the Strava app, go to your profile, tap followers, open the followers profile, then use the three dots to remove them. Take a moment to review your list and keep your training feed exactly how you want it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your Strava experience focused and comfortable.